Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the calculator on the Photomath application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the calculator button in the left side of the screen. Here you should type in a math problem by using the calculator. As you can see, you have these other options that you can use at the top. So the first one is the basic calculator, and here you have more complicated categories that you can choose from. So after typing in something, you will be able to see the solution here. If you want to get a more detailed description of the solution, tap on the show solution button, and here you will be able to check out the solving steps. And if you want them to be explained to you, click on the explain steps button, and here you're going to see an explanation. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.